Hi guys, this is Ritika and I'm back here to recommend two of my favorite picks from Latafa. As you know, Latafa is the most viral Arab perfume fragrance brand from Dubai, and I am currently in Dubai and I have got these two bestsellers from Latafa which have gone viral recently, and these are the two of my favorite perfumes from Latafa as well. I have been using Latafa perfumes from last 1 year, but here I am in Dubai picking up my favorite ones. The first one is The Art of Universe by Latafa Pride, and this retails for 220 AD, which is roughly around 4,000 5,000 rupees in India. But this perfume is a dupe of Ex Nihilo Blue Talisman. Okay, so I like to wear perfumes which are unisex and gender neutral. Blue Talisman by Ex Nihilo is one of my favorite scent profile, and this one actually replicates it in much better and sweeter way. So this kind of works for me very well. I layer it on my day-to-day activities, on my casual outings, and just if you want to smell good. So yeah, if you see, oh my god, that smells exactly like Ex Nihilo. I have been trying Ex Nihilo, but it's such a big dent in my pocket. So I got this instant for myself from Latafa, and yeah, this exactly smells like that. So save yourself some money and buy this. So the second pick from Latafa is this. It's Victoria by Latafa. They have released this perfume, I think 6-7 months ago. And when I tried this, I immediately know that this is similar to my signature fragrance, that is Devotion by Dolce and Gabbana. So I love that fragrance, and I have the second bottle that I have used till now. I got it by 50 ml, then I got 100 ml, and then I got this. That is Victoria by Latafa, which exactly smells by Dolce & Gabbana, which has like this lemon meringue pie, which is sugared, crystallized lemon, and it smells like you're in Italy, you're gonna have some gelato, and yeah, there's like a sugared lemon top notes, and it sits on very creamy and musky vanilla. It becomes a skin scent later on, but this perfume is what you should have. It's very Bridgerton. If you see the design of the bottle, it's super Bridgerton-y, and it gives you a feel of your English women in London in 1980s or maybe 1880s, whatever it is. If you can see the bottle, it's a perfect combo, and this retails for almost 3,000 rupees in India and somewhere around 150 or 120 AED in Dubai. So yeah, find a good retailer and get this.